Alright YouTube, so what we're doing today on the Can-Am, we're actually going to be installing this pin kit. So there's one stud there, another stud there, and there's two more over there. The reason I'm putting these on here, because if you want to maintain your clutches and have an easy belt removal method here, we're going to be riveting. So it comes with these little pins, just a quick release pin kit for your clutch cover. So we're going to be installing that today, and yeah, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so we got these all drilled and riveted in. It holds all of our pins. So you got 1 pin, a 2 pin, 3 pin, 4 pin. You know, so you can change your belt a lot quicker, blow out your clutches as needed to help maintain your clutches so they last as long as they can. And it's just a quick release pin kit. We sell this over at MotoZoo. It's about 50 bucks for the kit, and it helps a lot when changing belts and maintaining your stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the page. Let me know what other future accessories you'd like to see me do. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.